Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can add a custom city in Woocommerce for shipping cost. So let's get started. First, log in to your WordPress dashboard. From the left menu, go to Plugins and then click on Add New. A new page will appear. From here, navigate to the search bar and type Woocommerce Custom Shipping Locations or Custom Shipping Zones. Install and activate the plugin. Next, go to WooCommerce Settings by clicking WooCommerce Settings Shipping. A new page will open where you'll see your shipping zones. Select the zone where you want to add the custom city and then click Edit. Inside the zone settings, you can add specific regions. If your city is not available by default, use the plugin settings to create a new city name manually and assign it to the zone. After that, add your shipping methods like flat rate, free shipping, or local pickup, and then set the cost you want for that custom city. Save the changes once you're done. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.